Good morning. I am Sagar Dalvi, batch July 2021. Today's date is 12th October 2021, and today I am here to discuss one of the most used data type in Java, that is string. Literature defines string is a index sequence of character. It's called string. Many languages follow different approaches to implement the string. Some primitive languages like C language implement string as a character array, but Java follow the different path. Java implement string as a object of class string, which is available in java.lang package. The next question may come in your mind: why Java follow the object path to implement the string? The question is simple. In Java project, the most used data type is string, and in order to manipulate string, Java inbuilt or Java class provides some inbuilt method which are very helpful for the programmer to manipulate the string. That's why Java follow the object path to implement the string. There are two ways to create the string. The first one is using literal constant, and the second way by using the new keyword. Let's discuss one by one. The first one is by using the literal keyword or literal constant. When we create the string using literal, then again before that, let's discuss why GVM gives special treatment for the string. Whenever the normally in object oriented programming language, every object get memory in heap memory area, but for the string there are two way where the string gets stored. The first one is string constant pool, and second one is heap area. When we are creating this string by using the literal, then one copy is get created in string constant pool, provided that there is no earlier similar object present in the string constant pool. And when we are creating the string by using the new keyword, then the one new copy is get created in the heap memory area, and one copy is get created in string constant pool, provided that there is no similar object available in the string constant pool. And when we are created a string by using the new keyword, then a string class has 5 types of constructor. Let's discuss one by one. The first one is a non-parameter constructor. Second one is parameterized constructor. Suppose we want to create a string which is equivalent to the Hepshine, then the way is, or the syntax is, string s is equal to new, and in parameter we can pass Hepshine as a parameter to the constructor. Then we will get string which is equivalent to the Hepshine. And again, string class supports 3 types of copy constructor. Suppose we have the copy constructor, means we can pass the object of one class as a parameter to the constructor to the another class. Means we can pass or we can create string buffer, equivalent string, again string buffer, string builder, and array. We can convert the array into the string, we can convert the string buffer into equivalent string, and we can convert the string builder into the equivalent string. So these are the 5 types of the constructor. Again, the most important feature of the string is strings is immutable. Again, very common recommendation is that when we opt for the or when we taking the password from the user, then it is recommended that it is take in the array and not in the string. Why is it so? Because strings are the immutable. That's why after use of the password, we can decrypt or encrypt that password and to store in the heap memory, which is not the case in case of the string. Okay, again, string has very important we can say that string class has a very important characteristics, because string class are final, and due to that final we can achieve the immutability of the string. Again, string length method and array length method has some similarity. Array length is a variable which is of final type, and string length is also a final method. We can say that due to that we can't change the length of the size. But as far as array is concerned, the final length of variable is a disadvantage. We overcome that disadvantage in collection framework. But as far as string is concerned, the final is of the prima facie seems to be the disadvantage, but that play a very vital role when we are going for the project. So that's it for today. We will meet you soon. Thank you.